invest a lot of money to start this business? These kind of questions are obviously be there. When I started my online business, I do have this question. So if we talk about business always involve transaction. Obviously, investment is there. If we talk about a traditional business, in traditional business, you have to invest on stock, inventory, you have to invest on shipping and handling, you have to invest on your staff. And if you're running your business from your home, your traditional business from home, then you have to pile up your basement with the inventory, right? Whatever you're selling to your clients or customers. And top of that, you have to figure out what you're going to sell. But when I learned about this digital online business, first of all, I have made my mind, I want to do my business. Because 7 years back home, I worked in IT, immigrated to Canada, everything is new for me. I'm able to find job in my own domain. I started working in customer care environment, and after becoming mom, I realized that I need more flexibility in my life because jobs are uncertain. And as a mom, if I take off from my work, sometimes I have to take unpaid leave. I saw those situations during my 6 months unpaid maternity leave. So I realized that I want to do my business. I want to start something from my home, which gives me more flexibility, which gives me more freedom. That is the reason I started my digital online business. And the first thing which really inspired me is no need to worry about what you're going to sell, because selling is something which is big pressure for me on my head. If I want to start my business, what I have to sell? And another thing is no need to worry about keeping the stock of items, keeping the inventory, shipping, handling, and all those stuff. So it gives me such a peace of mind. My job is, as a digital marketing entrepreneur, creating the digital content with the skill of digital marketing, and the rest of the thing is taken care by the system. So this is one thing which really inspired me. And yes, this business started with the investment. And when I started this business, I do have a lot of concern because all of my savings were completely disappeared during that time. I have to start this business. I'm not going to spend like a huge money, but there is a several different options are there. One option is called line of credit or financing, right? And I said, why not I try that option, because I have to do something. And I saw so many success stories, inspiring story. Friends, when I learned that there are some people who have started this business when they are completely broke and they took a line of credit. If they could do it, why I can't? So you have to be disciplined, you have to be coachable, you have a strong mindset, and be prepared with everything, friends. Nothing in this life comes so easily, right? So if you have to put your time and effort on this business, you can definitely see the results. And if you're still sitting on the fence and thinking like, oh, I have to spend a lot of money to start the business, and please come for a trial period. Look at several different investment options are there. And I must say, if you're happy with your current situation in your life, then you are one of the blessed person on this planet. And if you're willing to change the trajectory of your life, do explore this business platform and see what is there. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.